channel, and as you can see, I am so excited today because it's gonna be a hair tutorial. To be specific, I'm gonna show you 6 different hairstyles which are so easy to do that you can pretty much do each one of them under 5 minutes. I feel it's not just the makeup, it's also our hair that complete our look. And in spring and summertime, it's so fun to have these cute hairstyles on. So if you want to see how to get this cute gorgeous hairstyles on, then please keep watching. Before we jump on to the hair tutorial, I just want to quickly tell you that all the hairstyles that I'm going to mention today can be done on straight hair as well, but my preference usually is towards curly hair because they look even more fun. So what I did is I already curled my hair using my curling iron, and this one is from Remington. It's very cheap. I think it's under $50 and I got it from Amazon. This is an 1.5 inch barrel because I wanted those loose beachy waves for this hair tutorial. In case you don't have a curling iron with you, then you can also do curls using your hair straightener. I already have a tutorial up on my channel which shows how to get curls using a hair straightener, so you can refer it. In case you are not into curly hair, then it's okay because all the hairstyles that I'm gonna mention today can be done on straight hair as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first look that I go for always is a high ponytail, and I switch between a side ponytail and a mid ponytail. So the first look is a side ponytail, and as you can see, all you have to do is take all of your hair at the back, but instead of putting it at the crown, just pull your hair up as high as possible so that the ponytail is visible even when we are looking straight on the top. So that is what I'm doing. I'm dragging my hair, pulling my hair up onto a side. So I'm just dragging all of my hair on the top side of my head, and I'm just gonna take a band and tie them up. And as you can see, I also have my bangs on the front. That also adds so much cuteness to the hair look. So in case you are interested in checking out how to get bangs in your hair, then I also have a tutorial up on my channel for that. You can refer it and cut your bangs at home. Alright, so the second look is very similar to the first one. As I mentioned, my go-to look is a high ponytail, and the one that I prefer most of the times is right at the center of it. So this is the mid ponytail, which is high on the top. So again, I'm just pulling all of my hair together and I'm making them come in the center and pulling them upwards so the ponytail comes really high. Then just tying it with a band and then pulling my bangs again on the face, and that completes the high ponytail look. Alright, so the next look that I always go for usually for my work days is the top bun. I think top bun is a universal favorite. Everybody loves it. So as you can see, my high ponytail is still on. I will always prefer to have a high ponytail so that the bun is formed on the top of the head instead of going at the back, because that's the whole point of a top bun. It actually sits on the top of the head. So all I'm doing is taking my ponytail and just wrapping all the hair around on the top of the head and then pinning it with some of my hairpins. And I'm just pulling the hair so that it fits and looks more messy bun, because that is what I'm going for. Once I'm happy, I just put it around with pins so that it's secure. And then all I do is just pull some hair from the back so it gives even more messy look. And then I'm just putting my bangs in the front because that adds so much cuteness again to this look, and the look is complete and it looks so pretty and cute. Guys, so the next look is one of my favorite look. I think I call it the cat look because it's very similar to the cat ears. Alright, for this look, what I do is I partition my hair from the middle. It's not exactly the middle because I don't want to be that precise with any of my hairstyles, but if you already have a middle partition, then great, this is gonna work great for you. Once I have the partition in, then I'm just pulling a section of my hair upwards and tying it into a ponytail, as you can see. And the same thing I'm going to do on the other side as well. So I'm again pulling just a section of the hair, not the entire hair, a section of the hair from the front, and I'm pulling it high on my head and just tying it with a band so that it's a ponytail again on the side. And as you can see, this looks so cute on, and again with the bangs, it adds so much more cuteness. This is great and so easy to do. I think you can do it under a minute and looks great. Alright guys, so the next look is the Spice Girls inspired look. I just love doing this as well, and as you can see, I already have my half cat hair look on because we are gonna further extend it to get into that Spice Girls inspired look. All I'm doing is taking the ponytail that I already have on the side with the section of my hair, and I'm gonna braid it. So I'm slowly, you don't have to be neat with it, just create a braid using the same hair that we have up in the ponytail. Once the braid is on, then just rotate the braid around your ponytail area so that it forms a circle there, and then I'm just securing it with some pins, forming a beautiful bun on the side with braids. Same thing I'm gonna do on the other side as well. So first I'm braiding the ponytail that I already have on the side, and then just pulling it up and rotating it around the ponytail that I created. And once I'm happy with the shape, I'm just gonna secure it with some pins. And as you can see, I don't want to be extra precise with this because I like that messy vibe as well, but it looks so pretty and so gorgeous. I just love it. It has that edge to it. So I hope you like this. And as you can see, it is so easy to do. So you can switch it around between the cat hair look and the Spice Girl look. Alright guys, so we have come down to the last look, and as you can see, it's the look that I'm going for currently. It's the half bun with half of the hair down. So as you can see, first I am just pulling a section of my hair up into a ponytail, leaving all the other hair as is. Once I have the high ponytail in, I'm just gonna wrap around the hair in my ponytail and form a circle around the ponytail on the top of my head. Once I'm happy with it, then I'm gonna just secure it with some pins and then just pull the rest of the hair at the front and then have your bangs on the side. This looks so pretty as well and so easy guys. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this fun and interesting to do. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these, and if you already tried it, how did it work for you? I'm gonna come back with many more hair tutorials in the future, so please keep watching. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.